Hi everyone, in this video you have to solve two limit questions. So in part A you have to find limit 2 plus x cubed minus 2 minus x cubed divided by 2 plus x squared minus 2 minus x squared when x goes to 0. By direct substitution you can easily check that we have 0 over 0. And in this example you have to use a difference between two cubes and difference between two squares. So in difference between two cubes, here in numerator we have this quantity which is 2 plus x as a and 2 minus x as b. So we can rewrite this limit as limit of 2 because we have a minus b, so a minus b means 2 plus x minus 2 minus x, this is a minus b, multiplied by the second bracket we have a squared, which is 2 plus x squared plus a times b, which is 2 plus x multiplied by 2 minus x plus b squared, and b squared we have 2 minus x squared divided by, in denominator we have difference between two squares, so 2 plus x is a in our rule and 2 minus x is b, so you have to apply the difference between two squares and you will get a plus b times a minus b. So a is 2 plus x, this is a plus b. Let we start with a minus b, this is b2 minus x multiplied by 2 plus x, this is a plus b, which is 2 minus x when x goes to 0. Now a quick look for this limit, you can see that we can cancel this bracket with this bracket and you will get the remaining functions. Then you have to substitute or plug in the value of 0 on the remaining functions, and you will have that in numerator 2 plus 0 squared plus 2 plus 0 times 2 minus 0 plus 2 minus 0 squared divided by 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus 0. So in numerator 2 plus 0 squared equals to 4, plus this term, it means 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 2 minus 0 squared is 4, divided by, here we have 2 and here we have 2, so 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So the answer will be 12 divided by 4, and this is give us 3. In part B we have limit x plus 1 squared minus 4 all squared divided by x squared minus 2x plus 1 when x goes to 1. Also by direct substitution you will see that we have 0 over 0. Here we have a function inside which is x plus 1 squared minus 4. So by compare this inside function by difference between two squared, you will get that x plus 1 is a, and then you can rewrite 4 as 2 squared, so b equals to 2. Then you have to apply the difference between two squares and you will get limit of a plus b times a minus b. So it will be x plus 1, this is a, plus b, 2, times a, which is x plus 1, minus b, which is 2 all squared, divided by, What about denominator? In denominator you have to make factorization. So give me two numbers, multiply of them equals 2 and sum of them equals to -2. These two numbers are -1 and -1. So in denominator you have x minus 1 squared when x goes to 1. Then you have limit first bracket x plus 1 plus 2 equals x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 2, which is x minus 1 all squared, divided by x minus 1 squared when x goes to 1. The next step, we have two functions multiply with each other and we have power 2 here, so you have to distribute power 2 for both functions. It is a distributive law. So we have limit x plus 3 squared multiplied by x minus 1 squared divided by x minus 1 squared when x goes to 1. Now you have to cancel the common between numerator and denominator, x minus 1 squared, and you have to substitute x equals to 1. And you will get the final answer. So we have 1 plus 3 squared, which is 4 squared, that gives us 16. So the final answer of this limit equals to 16. And that's it. Thank you.